Hello everyone, today we test the Mekotronics R58X. It is using Rockchip R3588. It's a 8nm made SoC, 8-core CPU, it's a quad-core Cortex A76 and 2.2 GHz, quad-core A55 at 1.8 GHz, and the GPU is using latest Mali G610 at 1.0 GHz. The NPU is 6.0 tops. Here's the device we using for testing today. The front panel has 3 USB and 2 Type-C, power button, and LED status light. The back side is a very typical dual Wi-Fi antenna on the left and right side, an HDMI input, HDMI output, display port, and dual gigabyte line for computing, and RS485, RS232, and DC power 12 volt. It's the full aluminum casing, and inside it's a big heat sink for the passive heating. And the unit we have several colors. For example, we can do the blue ones and black ones, and also we have a silver ones. The surface is oxidization surface. At the beginning, we go to check the Aida64, so we can have a look of the general system and hardware informations. Here the systems, Rockchip. The one we're testing today is 8GB LPDDR4X, and it's a 64G ROM. RAM is 8G, and the CPU here it's we can see A55-3, so it's a quad-core A55, quad-core A76. Instruction set here is 64-bit ARM v8-A. Okay, so we have a quick testing on the Geekbench5. So we start to run CPU benchmark. And these days we've been working on the software development, and we got latest source code from the Rockchip. So for example, the last video we did show some HDMI input signal can be used as a camera signal for live streamers, and some customers also trying to record in 4K. But so far didn't succeed. They did it 1440p from this application called X Recorder. We will keep everyone updated for any progress we have here. Because the Rockchip R3588 is the video decoded at 8K 60 Hz and encode it's 8K at 30 Hz. So with this powerful video decode and encode, we hope this chipset can be very promising for professional video industries. Because in the professional video industries, we all know at least YUV 422 10-bit, I think it could be like common support, or RGB 888, it's okay, but not YUV 420 10-bit or 8-bit. We try to reach that goal and to keep everyone updated. The systems we have now, it's Android 12, Linux, Ubuntu, and Debian, and BitRoot. The BitRoot has a very good UI rendering when we compare with Ubuntu we have here, because our engineer also working on the graphic acceleration on Ubuntu, and so we will keep everyone updated as well. It's almost 70, 60, 67. So today's testings here to have a general look on the Aida64, which already did, and then the Geekbench5. Now it's doing the testings. Very soon we will have the figure. '86. Oh, by the way, during the testings, we also can see here the temperature at 47 degrees. Some customers have a little concern for the temperature because we doesn't have fans, and as we stated before, this unit, the chip size 8 nanometer SoC, so it has less heating and powerful computing. Now it's 44 degree, 93%, almost the finish. Okay, start. I'm looking to see the single core score 525, multi-core score 2246. The Android 12, Linux kernel, 64-bit. Governor scarcity, 1.8G, 2.4, 2.2G, 8 cores. Okay. Multi-core performance. Here, AES XTS 3200, and another one, rigid body physics 3419. And another one is almost ray tracing 4437. Single core, your device 525. Single core comparison, Samsung Galaxy 21 Ultra. We are at 500 range, so we go down here. So it's almost like Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro. So using Qualcomm Snapdragon A55 at 1.8 GHz, or Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G at 1.8 GHz. And we go to multi-core here. The score is 2246. So we are close to, a little below Qualcomm Snapdragon A55, 300 points above Snapdragon A45 1.8G. Here's because our score is almost 2200, so here's in the middle. Okay, here's what we tested today. Thank you.